Have you ever been in a situation where you need something just a little longer to help you out? Well, check out this new product called the Long Stick of Paper. With the Long Stick of Paper, you can do many things such as scratching your butt, picking your nose, or cleaning your ear. Yeah. As you can see, this thing comes in handy. Check out our satisfied customer that's coming to me right now. He bought this thing for only $19.99, but he had to pay $6,400,280,600 billion quadrillion for it, plus shipping and handling.
Yeah,
so here he is.
It's a toad.